In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day online with zero money. And the method I'm going to share with you is a brand new method. Nobody else is using that. And you will be the one who is going to start with this method. And let me share with you some of the proofs. So you may be thinking that it is not going to work, stuff like that. But let me tell you, the method I'm going to share with you is using Quora. But I'm not going to tell you that start writing answer on Quora and make money with affiliate programs or with your blog. No, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, so now let me show you some of the statistics. Look at this. Quora is having over 636 million users every single month. Okay, and YouTube is having over 1.8 billion users. But look at this. Quora is having 1/3 of the visitors every single month. So you can really think only 85 sites exist on the internet that are getting more traffic than Quora. You can really think how much huge opportunity this is. People are really missing out this opportunity, but you have this opportunity right now. And also let me tell you another thing over here. The Quora domain authority is so much higher. If you don't know what is domain authority, let me tell you, whenever someone writes blog on Google, write blog on anywhere on the WordPress or anywhere else, when it starts ranking on the Google, it considers the domain authority. The domain authority, on the basis of the domain authority, Google is going to rank the websites up and down. Okay, so how to make money online is one of the toughest keyword to rank on the internet. Okay, and look at this. The first website is savethestudent.org. Second website is economictimes.com, but the fourth website over here is Quora.com. So you can really think how much great it is going to be. So what we are going to do, let me tell you. First of all, we are going to use the Quora. Okay, we are going to use the Quora, and every blogger and YouTuber is aware that Quora is very powerful. Every blogger and every YouTuber is aware of this stuff. Okay, but the thing is this, that they do not have any time to start writing answers on the Quora. For the YouTuber, they have to create a lot of different stuff. There is a lot of stuff, and for the blogger also, they have to write a lot of articles, creating backlinks and all those things. They do not have time to start writing answers on the Quora. For example, so what we are going to do, we are going to reach out to these bloggers and YouTubers, and we are going to tell them, hey, I will be promoting your answer on Quora.com. I will be doing the answers for you, and you will be getting the traffic because everybody knows the power of the Quora. So this is what we are, but let me tell you how to find your first client to make $100. And even you can easily charge them $500 per month, but $100 is going to be the easiest and most least amount you can actually charge. Okay, so now look at this. On the first place, savethestudent.org is ranking. So if we are going to head over to this website, and we will tell them, hey, would you be interested if I will be promoting your answer on the Quora? There is 50% chance then they are going to be agree, but they are not going to agree. There is 50% chance also because they are already ranking over Quora.com. They will be telling, hey, I'm already ranking on the Quora upside of the Quora. Hey, I don't want to be on the Quora because I'm already passing them. Okay, but if we are going to head over to these websites, for example, maybe like this website, or maybe entrepreneur balancesmb.com, then probably these websites will be ready because they also want to come in the top 3 or 4. Or maybe if these websites will not be ready, then probably we can head over to this website as well. We can go to the second page because those guys are willing to come on the first page. They are just pretty much insanely hungry to come on the first page. So we can head over to this website like Making Sense of Sense, and we are going to tell them, hey, as I really know that you do have a blog and you are writing articles, you do not have time to come on the Quora and start answering questions. Okay, so what if I am going to do the answers for all your blogs, and I will be charging dash amount of money every single month? Would you be interested in that? And at the same time, you can send them these kinds of like statistics. Although 90% of the bloggers do know this, but you can still attach some kind of screenshot and the Quora domain authority screenshot, stuff like that. When you are going to do that, the 90% of the bloggers will be ready because they know they have to outsource the stuff. They know they cannot do everything themselves, and they also know that the people will also be searching on the Quora, and they will also be start getting the traffic from the Quora. Okay, For example, when I just search over here how to make money online, uh, how to make money online, how do I make money online, whatever it is, okay. So the people who are searching on the Quora will also be coming to their answer, and they will also get the traffic from there. So what we are going to do, we are going to simply reach out to the bloggers, and we can also reach out to the YouTubers as well. So then we are going to simply tell them, hey, would you be interested in that? And even we can tell them, hey, I am going to give you a 7-day free trial. But I really think that trial is not going to convert that much better, because Quora takes a little bit time to get your answer, to get clicks and views, maybe like a month or 15 days, but after that it start picking up the boost. Okay, so now what I will suggest you is head over to the YouTubers and the bloggers and just start messaging them. And now how you can find their contact details? First of all, in the case of the YouTube, you can go over there with two types. Okay, one of them is you can go to their about section, and you will find the about their email ID or maybe their Facebook page. You can message on all of the social media and also email them. And other way is to check out their link, description link, or if you cannot find anything, you can also comment to their video. They may be interested and they may not be. Okay, so when you are going to do this, you are going to find a ton of people, okay, who are having the email address in their description box. Okay, so now you simply need to email to all of them so that you are going to get some of the yeses. And in the same way, go to bloggers, you can find the email, or what I will suggest you, the one of the best way to get a guy is simply just head over to any website. For example, maybe this one. Okay, and you are going to see that they are providing some kind of freebie offer. Either they are providing a free video training or a free ebook training. Then you simply need to tell them, hey, you just simply need to opt in for their email list, and then just simply reply to the same email address. Okay, for example, let me just check this. Okay, you can also message contact them via the contact page. Okay, and you can simply sign up for their newsletter. Okay, and you can also do something like whenever they are going to send you an email, simply just reply back to the same email. A lot of time I have gotten the answer in that way. Okay, so when you are going to do this, you will start getting the replies because they know the power of the Quora, and then you can easily charge them like 100. I really think that you should charge at least $300 to $500. Okay, but you may be thinking that how we are going to convert it into a passive income. How? So what you can do, you can simply hire the virtual assistant from websites like Fiverr, and many other websites. And then you can simply start you can simply tell them, hey, would you be interested in working long time with me? Okay, how would that? Then you will see a lot of people on the Fiverr will be ready. So what you can do, you can get the clients from here and you can pass on the work to them, or you can also build up your team for the not in the virtual world but in the real world as well. Okay, but what I have found is you can hire some virtual assistant and they are going to write the answer for you, and you will be for example, you are going to charge $500. You can tell them, hey, you will be writing like 30 answers in a month, and I will be paying you like $5 for every answer you are going to write. So that is going to be $150 you are going to pay, and you are going to make $350 in your pocket. So that is what I suggest you, that this is going to be one of the powerful method to make money, because nobody else is using this. Okay, and you just need one client every 3 days to make $100. And even it's really not a big deal, because when they are going to write the answer, in the end they can link out to his blog, and in return they are going to start getting the traffic and also the backlink as well. So this is how you can easily make $100 per day. But what you need to do, you need to start taking action. And if you want more free training, then check out the link in the description. Okay, check out the link in the description. It's 100% free training you are going to find on the first link. Okay, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button so you are not going to miss more money making videos.